The black-throated blue warbler, Setophaga caruleans, is a small migratory songbird native to eastern North America. Males are striking with deep blue backs, black throats, and white underparts, while females are olive brown with a pale eyebrow and white wing patch. They breed in dense understory forests and feed mainly on insects and spiders. Their buzzy song, used to attract mates and defend territory, is commonly heard during breeding season. These warblers winter in the Caribbean and are considered stable in population.